And let's see if she's capable. Now immediately I feel she's pulling away to the left there. Is that because of the wind? I'm not sure. Aye, there is a really strong wind and she's fighting hard against it. A very strong wind. And it looks like I may have positioned the camera badly. And I thought the camera wasn't covering the sensors at the bottom, and it isn't. The camera isn't covering the sensors, so she should have been able to fly all right there, but she seems to be having a bit of bother with the sensors. Let's try it again. Okay, so she seems fairly capable there of carrying the weights. Let's send her down the coast a wee bit. As you can see, quite a wind blowing there. She's tilted back quite a lot. So I'm not going to send her up too high. I'll maybe send her up a few more meters. Right, so she does seem capable of carrying this Insta. Aha. So let's bring her back. Got a warning now that says remove gimbal protector. Have I forgotten to remove the gimbal protector? And is that one of the problems? Let's see. Nope, as you can clearly see, there is no gimbal protector on there. So I am getting error messages that aren't normal. So although she's capable of carrying the weights, bear in mind this is windy today, and you can see her tilting there. So the Mini 3 Mini 3 Pro is certainly capable of carrying an Insta360. I do have this strange remove gimbal protector. There is no gimbal protector on, so that's a weird warning. Could be something to do with the high wind and the extra weight that she's carrying. Let's send it along the coast in the opposite direction this time. I don't want to send her too high. So this is the Doonfoot area near Ayr. Let's have a look around here. Hi there. Hi. I've just let you know I've got a drone up in the sky here, but I'll keep the eye on the dog as well, and I'll make sure I'm well clear. Okay. Thank you. So Caledonia is drifting very, very badly inward because there is a strong wind. So not a particularly good day for flying, but a good day to come out and test.
Battery level is low.
And the battery is low because so there you go, got a low battery level because of obviously the extra weight and the high wind there. So bringing her back in now. And I think that'll do for this test.